Hello students, in this video we will discuss our next chapter, that is international number system. So what is international number system? Here is given two place value chart. One is Indian number system, another one is international number system. So compare between them. In Indian number system there is called ones room, and in this ones room belongs hundreds, tens and ones. And in the international number system this is also same. This is ones room, and this ones rooms belongs ones, tens and hundreds. These two are same as it is the Indian number system. Now go to next room. This is thousands room in our Indian system, and this is thousand room in international number system. But look, in our Indian number system, in thousand room there are two places. One is 1000, another one is 10,000. But in international number system there is three places. One is 1000, another one is 10,000, then 100,000. Clear? Then before this there is a lakhs room in our Indian number system, but international number system there is called millions. In our lakhs room there is two room. One is 1 lakh room and another one is 10 lakhs room. But in millions there are three room. One is 1 million, then 10 million, then 100 millions. This is the difference between the Indian number system and international number system. Before lakhs we have crore, but in international number system before million there is called billion. Clear? That means before this 100 million, there have a one room that is called billion. Okay. Now let's see one example. Question number 1. In question number 1, exercise 3, there is given this is one room, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, then 10 million. So in 10 million room, how many ring is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ring is there. So write here 5. Then million room, how many ring is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. And there is this is 10 million, this is million, so one room is covered, so put here one comma. Then comes to 1000 room. There is 100,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 100,000 room there is a given 5 room, 5 ring. 10,000 room there is 1, 2, 3 ring. And 1000 room 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ring is there. So one type of room is covered, that is 1000, so put here 1 comma. Then in 100 room there is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then one place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our answer. Now how to read this number? What is the number name? The number name will be, so 56 belongs to in which room? Millions room. So this will be 56 million happening. So 56 million. Then 536 belongs to in which room? That is belongs to in 1000 room. So this will be 563,000 happening. So this will be 5,500 36 6,000. Then after this 1000 place there is given 100, so here is given 800, then 47, so right here 800 47. So this is our answer. Now go to next example like this. Question number 4. So question number 4 is given here. This is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, then billion. So billion is comes here. So in billion room there is given 3. Then 100 million place there is given 2. 10 million place there is given 4. And million place there is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one type of room is covered. That's why you have to put here one comma. Then 100,000 place 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1000 place there is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then one type of room is covered. So you have to put here comma. Then 100 there is given 2. 10 there is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in 8, in one room there is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how to read this number? So this will be, this 3 is belongs to billions room, so this will be 3 billion 3 billion and 245 belongs to in thousand room, million room. That means this will be 245 million million. Then 476 is belongs to in thousand room, so this will be 476,000 6,000 then 298 is in one room, so 298 happened lost. 98. So in this way you can do left of the problem in question number 1. So let's see question number 2. In question number 2 is given, write each of the following number in international system and write their number name. So question number 2 B is given here 3 5 2 1 3 4 5. So you have to write the number name in international system. So we know that in our international system there is 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, then 100,000 place, then million place, 10 million place, then 100 million place, then billions place. So write the number from the end. So this will be 5 4 3 1 2 5 3. So 3 is belongs to in which room? That is belongs to in million room. 3 is belongs to in millions room. So you have to write here 3 million. Then 521 is belongs to in 1000 room. So then write 500 21. Then 345 is belongs to in one's room. So then write 300 45. So this is our answer. Now let's see another example like this. Go to question number E. So question number E is given here 1 2 3 2 1 4 5 6 7 8. Now write the number from the end. 8 7 6 5 4 1 2 3 2 then 1. Now look at here, in billion room here is given 1, so it will be 1 billion. Then 232 is belongs to in million room, so right here 232 million. 32 million. Then 145 is belongs to in 1000 room. Then write 100 45,000. Then 678 is belongs to in one's room. Then write 678. So in this way you can do left of the problem in question number 2. Thank you everyone.